Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic related to HTML images, which is figure and fig caption element. So in this session, we are going to talk about what is figure element, what is fig caption element, why do we need it when we are using it with images. Okay, so there are various scenarios in project where you will notice that yes, picture has been used or image has been used with figure or fig caption. So what are these element, how we can use it, what are the benefits of using it? These all things we will discuss in this particular session. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. But for time being, we are just focusing on the figure and fig caption. But prior to that, we discuss what is image, how we can attach with a web page, what is height, width, title attribute, right? And also we discussed how we can make the image clickable. So as I mentioned, they all are connected with each other. So for today, like in this session, mainly we are focusing on the figure and fig caption attribute tag element. Okay, so I think now we are good to start. And now if I show you the code is quite simple. So far, like we have just noted down the basic HTML, where you can see the title in the head section, and one heading is mentioned here, H1 HTML by Sharmit, and there is one question for all of you. So today's question is how we can create clickable image in HTML. So you just need to write the answer of this question in the comment section. Those who will provide the consistent correct answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming sessions for sure. Okay, so I think now we are good to start with the actual content. So here if I show you the output of this code at the moment, you will see it is just showing HTML by Sharmit, because this is the only thing that we have specified here. Now what we will do, we will create the normal default image, and then I'll show you image with figure and fig caption. Why? Because I want to show you the difference between the two. Okay, and it would be very clear to you, like if we learn the things in terms of differences. So that's why let's create the simple image first. So for this I will write here heading 2 H2, and here I will put the title as default image. Okay, so this is the default image. Now in this default image we will add the img tag, and img tag is mainly used for inserting or attaching the image with this web page. So we will write here src, then I will pick the location of my image. So this is the image which I am using for the demo purpose. So I will simply right click on it and will fetch the path from the properties. So I will just copy it, and after doing a copy, I can put it here, then slash, and then the file name is tiger. What is this file? Actually this is the image name. Okay, so tiger.webp. What is webp? It's a extension. So if you are using image with jpeg extension, you can put that. If it is png, you can put that. It is up to you, like which image you are using. But in this demo I'm using the image whose extension is webp. Okay, so we just added the image. Now we can set the alt, which is alternative name for this image. So here I can put default image. Then we will set height and width of it. So in height I will write 250 pixel. So this is the width of the image, and then the height also 250 pixels. Also we will provide the title. So title we will write default image. Alright, so if I save this code and if I show you the output of it, it is coming like this. So if you take your mouse cursor to this image, it will show you the title, which is default image. Okay, now what we will do, this is the default image. Now we are going to talk about the figure and fig caption element. So for that, let's add another heading here. So I will write H2. In H2 we will write second image with figure and fig caption, image with figure and fig caption. Clear? So you can just add this heading, and then after this heading we will write the figure element. So why do we need figure element? So first thing is, figure element is mainly used to associate image with its title or with its caption, not the title, caption. Okay, so this is a kind of block where we can put both the things, image as well as its caption. Okay, so we have just added the figure element here. Now we will add the image. So let me copy the image, or we can declare it here. So we can write simply here img. In img we will put the source. In source we will put the caption, the location of this path. So let's simply copy it, and after copying it we can put the text here, which is a source. Okay, so after img we will simply put after source we will write here alt, which will put the alternative name for this image. So we can write image with caption. Okay, so we have specified the source and alternative name. Then we will set the width. So width would be 250 pixels, then height 250 pixels, and title would be default image, not default image with caption. Okay, so this is the image which we just added. But now some of you might be thinking like, where is the caption? We have not added caption yet, right? Yes, because we have not utilized the fig caption. Now what we are doing, like what we did so far, we just created one block, which is figure block. Inside that we will pass image as well as its caption to link it. So for that we will write here fig caption. In fig caption we will write the actual caption of this image. So this is an image caption, and if you want to like you can either write like this, or we can simply write like this, figure 1, just to give you more visibility. Okay, so now you can see this is the normal image or default image, and this is the image with caption. So to add caption to your image, or to associate caption with your image, what you can do, you can use figure and fig caption element as we are using here. Okay, so img is just showing img is just using, we are using img just to associate the image, and fig caption is mainly used to associate the caption with your image. Clear? So we have one block. So if let's say if someone asks you in an interview what is figure or fig caption, so you can simply explain in layman term that figure is kind of block which we can use in order to associate image as well as caption. And if someone asks you about the fig caption, so you can say that it is mainly used to add the caption to your image. Okay, so overall you can say that they both are used in a combination, figure and fig caption, and used for providing the meaningful caption to the image. Okay, so I think now it is quite clear to you that what is the difference between this default image and normal default image and the image with caption. Because in case of caption, you can see the image is coming with a particular caption, and it is mainly used to show the purpose of this image, right? And this is the default image where we are not showing anything, although when we take the mouse on this image, it is showing the title, but this is not caption, this is title. And you should know the difference between caption and the title. Okay, so yeah, these are the all thing which I wanted to share with you all in this session. I hope it is clear to all of you, and in the next session we will discuss another topic related to image in HTML. By that time, like, you can share the answer of this question. So today's question is how we can create clickable image in HTML. Those who will provide the consistent correct answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming sessions and podcasts. So please do share your knowledge in the comment section, and in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.